Hi there. If you've grabbed one of my tutorials from my Etsy shop, DIY Costumes, or maybe you've just stumbled on this video because you're making your own creature costume, I love that. Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to cut a template for a felt tummy piece for your creature costume that you're going to use a sweatsuit as a base. So I've got a sweatshirt here. I've got some scissors, I've got paper, I've got a pencil. Let's pretend first this sweatsuit doesn't have a pocket like it does. Maybe I want to do a full length tummy for it. What I like to do is fold my paper in half so I can make an even tummy. Now you could draw this out with a pencil. I like to just freestyle it with a pair of scissors and work on getting the shape right. Now, if this was going to be my final template, I would work on smoothing out the edges, but one of the benefits of using paper is you can get it right before you started using your materials. Now, for a sweatsuit like this that does have a pocket, I love the kids to be able to use that. Oftentimes, their costume is used as a sweatshirt for many months or years in some cases. In that, I like to cut a piece that is going to be fit above there. Again, I like to fold it in half and cut through. Maybe I'll decide I really want to maximize the space. I can use a bigger piece and cut it, but there you go. Quick and simple and customizable. And once your paper template looks good, you can transfer your shape onto felt and cut out the real tummy for your costume. And there's plenty of tutorials on how you put that together and give it a nice look with a whip stitch on the site.